Welcome to today's crochet tutorial. In this video, we'll be making a beautiful flower hair clip. It's a charming handmade accessory that can brighten up any hairstyle, perfect for gifting or selling. Please prepare your 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more creative tutorials. Let's get started. For round 1, begin with a magic ring. Crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Then join with a slip stitch to the first stitch to close the round. Great start. Make sure your ring is pulled tight to keep the center neat. Keep going, you're doing great. Moving on to round 2. Chain 1. Make an increase in each stitch around by working 2 single crochets into each stitch. You should now have 12 stitches. Slip stitch to join. Excellent progress. Tip: count your stitches to make sure you have the correct number. Now let's shape the petals in round 3. Chain 1. Repeat the following pattern 6 times. Chain 4, make 2 puff stitches, then again 2 puff stitches, chain 4, and slip stitch to the base. Slip stitch to join the round. Your flower is now taking form. Tip: keep your puff stitches consistent in height for a neat finish. You're doing wonderful. For round 4, we'll add detail to the petals. Repeat this pattern 6 times. Chain 5, make 4 single crochets along the chain, chain 5 again, and slip stitch into the base. Then, slip stitch to finish the round. You've now completed your beautiful crochet flower. Great work. You're almost done. Thank you for watching and crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this flower hair clip. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Keep practicing and happy crocheting.